What are you waiting for? Free IPTV for 1 year? A whole year? Is that what you're waiting for? All right, I'm gonna give it to you guys. Let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome to Touchtone App and Tech Trends, where we bring you guys the latest apps and tech trends. If you're new, go below and subscribe and hit the little bell. Keep alerted to all my videos. That's the way you support me. Why I support you is by bringing you guys videos, and we also do giveaways. $2,000 this month is the last month. After that, we're gonna be doing $500 a month. We're doing giveaways as well. We're giving away all kinds of stuff, all right? But let's get back to the matter in hand. The one you guys really want, the free IPTV for 1 year on your smart TV. I'm gonna show you how to install it. All you need is a USB stick, okay? A USB stick, and that is it. It's gonna give you 1 year to the date from today. It's easy to install. It's not complicated at all. You get over 10,000 channels, you get pay-per-views, you get sports, you get all that for free for 1 year, exactly. How do you get it? I'm gonna show you how you get it, okay? It's gonna be so simple. I really want to show you guys the channels and go through all that, but it's gonna take too much time because there's too many channels. So let me get to it. Let me show you guys how to install it, and we'll go from there. This is what you need, exactly what you need. You need a USB, okay? You gotta have at least 16. If it's not a 16, it will not work. Check it out, one that I've had sitting around. And this is all it takes, really. This is all it takes. You're gonna insert a file here. When you're gonna download the file, go to the side of your TV. I'll show you now how to do it on the side of the TV. I'm gonna show you how to do it with the remote as well. Yeah, it's real simple. Let's go to it. All right, so this is it. All right, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go in the back of the TV. Thank you guys. So I appreciate everything. I hope you enjoyed that.